Student, now we're going to solve exercise 2.4, class 9, general maths, question number 5, factorize. There are total 9 sum in this question number 5, and all are of similar kind. And students, these questions can be solved with the help of two different methods. Question number 1, then question number 4, question number 6, question number 5, 7. This can be solved if I take common and rearrangement. This can be solved very easily. But question number 3, question number 2, question number 9, these three questions we have to solve by using the trial and error method initially, and after that we have to apply the polynomial long division method. So all the questions will not possible to solve in the same method. That's why it is the only way if I use the second method, which means the trial and error method initially, and after that for the long division method. So if I use that formula or that method, will be easier for all the sums. I'm not going to show you the second method, obviously, that trial and error method, and after that long division method. By using that method only, I will solve question number 1, 2 and 3, and all are same kind of questions. So definitely you will solve it out by watching the video. So let's have a look how to solve this one. First question. Now look, student, this is the first question, 5 Roman 1, and we have taken as the px, means polynomial of x, this question. Now student, I'm going to solve this one by using the trial and error method. Now look, what is the trial and error method? Look, I'm writing here by trial, by trial, by trial, trial, by trial, which means first one I am writing here 1, which means in place of x I have given here 1. Now let me check whether this, if I putting the value of 1 here in place of x, if I get 0 or not. So let me check now. This is 1 cube, then minus 2 into 1 square, then minus 1 plus 2. Now look, 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, and minus 2 here, then 1, then 2, which means cancel these two, answer is 0. So in our first attempt I have used here p1 and we will get 0. So we can say that, student, that by factor theorem, by factor theorem, there is, I have 1 only. So we can say that factor theorem x minus 1. Look student, don't confuse. If there is plus 1, then I will write here minus 1. If there is minus 1, I will write here plus 1. So x minus 1 is a factor, of px. This is called trial and error method. Initially I have taken 1. If I don't get 0 here, then I will put here minus 1, then I will put here 2, then I will put here minus 2, like this. So in our first attempt we have got, this is x minus 1 is a factor of this value. Now we'll go for the long division here. So very easy actually. Look now student, look, this value, which means x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, will be divisible by that x minus 1. Now look after that. Since student x minus 1 is a factor of px, so it is clear that if it is factored, then obviously that px value will be divisible by this one only, and remainder will be 0. And since there is x cube, which means we'll have the three values of x. I repeat again, if there is x cube, then we'll get 3 values of x. If there is 4, then we'll get 4 values of x. Now x minus 1, so there is x cube. We'll go for the long division. Already we did in my last videos. So x minus 1 is there, that is x cube. So I will put here x square into x cube, then x square into minus 1, we'll put here x square. Now look after that, student, what will happen? Look here, second line sign will change, so this become minus and this become plus. Now look here that this will cancel, and minus 2 and plus 1 will be minus x square, then minus x plus 2. Now look again, there is minus x square, we'll put here only x. Minus x into x means minus x square. Now minus minus plus, and there is x only. Minus minus plus, x1 is the x. Now look, sign will change, this become plus, cancel, and this become minus. So there is minus twice x, then plus 2. Now look, we'll put down here only minus 2. So minus 2 into x is minus 2i6, minus minus plus, there is 2. Now look here, this become plus, this become minus, cancel, which means 0, remainder 0. So student, look, we can say that after that we'll just put down that this equal to this into this. Now look how to write this one. So student, we can say that this is a x cube, then minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is actually px, and this equal to, after dividing we have got x square minus x minus 2. This is the quotient, and into divisor, divisor is x minus 1, and remainder is 0 obviously. Now look student, now the main point is, look, this can be solved with the help of middle term factorization. I repeat again, this portion can be solved with the help of middle term factorization. Now how to solve this? Look here now, there x square, now there is x only and there is 2. So look student, if I write down 2 minus 1 x, then minus 2. Now look, and this could be x minus 1. Now after that, x square minus twice x here. Now minus minus plus x, then minus 2. Now look after that, x minus 1. Look after that, just take common x, then x minus 2. Here there is, take common 1, then x minus 2. Now after that, x minus 1. Look here now, x minus 2 common here, then x plus 1 and x minus 1. Look, 3 values, 1 2 3, 3 values. Since there is x cube, that's why 3 values. This is the answer of the first question, 5 Roman 1. Now student, you have now just now seen the long method of how to solve that 5 Roman 1, and one more method I am just going to show you, alternate method. Look here, same questions. Now look how to solve this one. There is x cube and 2x square. Now students, it's very easy actually. If I take only x square common from here, then there could be x minus 2. From here, if I take just x square common, then, and from here if I take only minus 1 common, then x minus 2 only. Now look, there is x minus 2 and there is x square minus 1. Now this can be written like x minus 2, and this is can be written x square, and 1 can be written 1 square. Now look, x minus 2, then a square minus b square formula, a plus b, a minus b. This is the answer of 5 Roman 1. This method is very easy, but the problem is that all the sums of question number 5, all the sums of question number 5 cannot be solved with the help of this method. These can be used for some particular sums like 1, then 4, then 7, like this. But question number 2, then question number 3 will be solved by the previous method, which I have just now shown you, that long method. So you can use both the method according to your choice, but this is easier obviously, but will suitable for the some particular questions. Look student, this is the 5 Roman 2 question, and px equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. This is the given question. Now look how to solve this one. Student, this question I cannot take in the easy way, as just now I have shown you in question number 1. Here I have to go for the long method, and by using the trial, first of all, look here, I am writing here by trial, writing here p1, which means in place of x I am writing here p1. Now look, 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. Look after that, 1 cube is 1, 3 into 1 is 3, then minus 9, then minus 5. Now look here, 1, 9 and 3, how much? 9 and 3, 12. 12 plus 5, how much? 17 minus 17. So here would be minus 16, which is not equal to 0, which means we cannot take p as 1. Now next one we'll use, in place of 1 we'll put here minus 1. This is called trial and error. Now look, p minus 1. Now let me check, minus 1 cube, then 3 into minus 1 square, then 9 into minus 1, then 5. Now minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 square is 1, and 3 means 3, minus minus plus 9 and 5. Now look, after that here, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 is there, this plus 9 is here. Now 5 plus 3 8, then minus 9. Now answer is 0. So after putting minus 1 we have got 0, which means we'll take this one as the factor. Now we can say that by factor theorem, by factor theorem we can say that x minus, and there is minus 1. Since there is minus 1, actually the factor theorem is x minus a. Mind it, factor theorem is x minus a. This minus is this one, and this a is this one. So in place of minus 1, yeah, I am writing here now, this is. So we can say that, or minus minus plus x plus 1. There is minus 1 means there is plus 1. X plus 1 is the factor of px. Since it is a factor of px, we'll go for the long division now here. Now look how to solve this portion. Now look, go for the long division. Now here x plus 1, and there is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now look how to solve this. Look student, x cube is there is x only, so just put down x square. X square into x is x cube. Now x square into 1, so x square. Now look, after that minus, also minus, cancel this. Now minus 3 minus 1 means minus 4x square, then minus 9x. After that student, there is minus 4x square. We'll put down here only minus 4x. Minus 4x into minus 4, which means minus 4x square, plus minus minus 4 into 1, like this. 4x into x means 4x square, and minus 4x into 1. Now this will change again, cancel this. Minus 9, and there is plus 4, which means minus 5x. I repeat again, minus 9 plus 4 means minus 5x, and this minus will be here. The minus will be here. Can be right here also, no problem with that. Now look, after that minus 5x and minus, so we'll put down here only minus 5. Minus 5 into x means minus 5x, minus minus, sorry, plus and minus, minus 5. So this is plus, plus cancel, 0. This is the long division. Now look student, after that here x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now after that, this equal to, after division, x square minus 4x minus 5 and x plus 1. Now look, after the student, this will go for the for the help of middle term factorization. This can be solved. So x square, 4 is there, so 5 minus 1 is 4, and 5 ones are 5. My x and minus 5 will be here, then x plus 1. Now look, after that, x square, there is minus 5x, minus minus plus x, then minus 5, then x plus 1. Now after that, x, then x minus 5, there is plus 1, x minus 5, then x plus 1. Now look, after that, x minus 5, then x plus 1 here, and this is also x plus 1. So this is the answer of the 5 Roman 2. Now look student, that 5 Roman 3 now we're going to solve by using the trial method. Now look, here I am using by trial, TRIAL, by trial. Here P1, first I am writing here P1. Now let me check whether we'll get the value of 0 or not by using So it is clear obviously that all these values are positive. This is also positive, we will not get 0. Then also we will have to put 1 cube, then 13 1 square, then 32 into 1 plus 20. 1 cube is 1, then 13, then 32, then 20. Now look, here is 13 plus 1 14. So 14, 32, then 20. Go for the addition. 32, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 66. This is not equal to 0. First one over. Now second one, p minus 1. Let me check now whether we'll get 0 or not by using p minus 1. Now minus 1 cube, then 13 into minus 1 square, then 32 into minus 1, then 20. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, 13 square is minus 1 square is plus 1, then 13, then there is minus 32, then 20. So there is a minus 32 minus 1 is minus 33, and 20 plus 13 is plus 33, which means we'll get 0 after putting p minus 1. So we can say that by factor theorem, by factor theorem, by factor theorem, x minus then minus 1, or you can say that x plus 1 is the factor of px. Now since this is the factor of x plus 1 is the factor of px, so obviously that px will be divisible by x plus 1. Now let's go for the long division. Now look here student, we'll go for the long division. X cube minus 13x square minus 32x, then minus 20. Sorry, this all positive, yeah, and this will go for the division as x plus 1. Student, now let's start the division. X cube, there is x only, so put down here x square. X square into x is x cube. Now x square into 1 is x square only. Now look student, after that sign will change, become minus, this will cancel. 13 minus 1 12, 12x square, then 32x, and then 20. Now look, 12x square, so there I will write 12x only. 12x into x means 12x square, and 12x into 1, there is also 12x. Now look, minus then minus, cancel this one. 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 1 20, 32 minus 12 is 20x, then 20 only. Now last one, just put down 20, 20 into x, 20 into x is 20x, and that is 20. Sign change, cancel, 0, remainder 0. Now student look, here we can say that x cube plus 13x square, then plus 32x plus 20 equal to x square plus 12x plus 20. Then the divisor is x plus 1. Now look student, there is a, this will go for the middle term factorization. Now x square plus, there is 12, there is 20. Now how to solve this student? There is 20, so we can write here student, 10 plus 2 12, and 10 to the 20, and there is x plus 1. Next would be x square plus 10x plus twice x plus 20, then x plus 1. Now take common x here, then x plus 10, there is take 2 common, x plus 10, and this is in the second bracket, so x plus 10, and next one is x plus 2, then x plus 1. This is the answer of the third question, means 5 Roman 3. Students, only I have done 5 1 2 and 3, And the rest all sums, as you can see in the questions, you can also solve it by using the same method. I have shown you two different method. You can use both the method for solving this one, but mind it, all the questions will not be solved by the second method. That's why the first method or the long method will be easier for solving all the questions.